Let's dive right into your daily crypto market update. There is so much going on today. First, see this update from the United Kingdom. We have made a firm commitment to placing ourselves at the forefront of the crypto technology and innovation revolution, UK's Ministry of Finance. That's what these guys are saying. This is one of the wealthiest, more powerful developed countries in the world. If they are going to support crypto adoption, the United States has to compete. Every other country has to compete. They're not going to let the United Kingdom take all the market share, right? So people are worried about regulation, when in fact, they should be excited about what is going to come, because once the regulatory clarity arrives from these government regulators, a wall of institutional money just waiting on the sidelines is going to flood into crypto, and it's going to be absolutely huge, the impact all that money has on prices. This is all at a time of constrained Bitcoin supply. So this is the most important chart when it comes to Bitcoin supply-demand fundamentals. So check this out. This is the total supply of Bitcoin in this orange. You can just see with every halving cycle, which is these gray lines, less and less is coming on the market. So first we had this huge amount just dumped on the market, then even more that came on, and now you can just see after each halving cycle, less and less is coming on the market. And so eventually the Bitcoin supply is just going to plateau. But this is all at a time when the illiquid supply, which is this line right here, is growing. So less and less people are selling, more and more people are holding. So what's going to happen is as this illiquid supply continues to grow, as less and less people want to sell, bigger institutions, bigger whales start to buy into this. This illiquid supply is going to grow, and it's going to get closer and closer to the total circulating supply. And there's going to be an absolute supply crunch in Bitcoin as less comes on, but demand goes up. And so that is what is extremely exciting if you actually just think about it. As favorable regulation comes down the pipeline and the supply diminishes, there's going to be a massive melt up. That's the mother of all crypto bubbles that I'm talking about being on the horizon. Let's keep going into this daily update. What is going on today? Breaking: Fidelity to support Ether custody and trading services. It's an $11 trillion asset manager that is currently building out infrastructure. So Fidelity, everyone knows it, huge financial institutions, wants to become a crypto exchange. What does that tell you? Clearly, they see higher prices ahead, or they would not be wanting to invest like this. A lot of the smart money is investing like this. Let's go into what Binance is doing, guys. They've been a leader. They've been at the forefront of this space for a long time, and you can get exposure through the BNB token. BNB Chain releases year-long technical roadmap to develop ecosystem. The major areas of focus surround increasing validator decentralization and developing capabilities for governance. How exciting would that be if the BNB token becomes decentralized? If anyone can do it, it's CZ, the leader of Binance, and the team they have, right? And so what if it also becomes a governance token where each BNB token gives you a voting stake over this incredibly valuable ecosystem? We know BNB is deflationary. There's a lot going for this asset. Here's just a summary of the Binance ecosystem. It's the blockchain platform that has the highest amount of transactions on record, close to 3 billion and 1,300 dApps, and there has never been a glitch, no downtime. What other blockchain platform can say the same? Just a summary of one of the most important companies and assets in the entire world. And here's just one development that came out today. Just in 29 shopping malls, 13 hotels, and 4 mixed-use communities in the United Arab Emirates are now accepting crypto via Binance. They're taking over the world. Crypto is taking over the world beneath the surface. It is such an exciting time to be an early stage investor.